Hey everyone, I'm back this week with Project of the Week. Today on collab.dev, we're going to search up, let's do TanStack Query. Let's take a look. Okay, metrics here are pretty interesting. Okay, looking at contributor distribution, it says 64% of these are community and then 29% are from the core team. This ratio is pretty good balance of community engagement and things like that. Okay, looks like 29% of PRs receive formal reviews before merge. It's interesting though, because despite that, they maintain pretty high qualities. Maybe this means they might be doing other ways to ensure quality control. Merge time data, okay, so it's a little bit over a day, but the 25th percentile is about 2 hours. About a quarter of the PRs are still merged pretty quickly. Request approval time is about a day. Makes sense. That means a pretty efficient workflow. Okay. Okay, so about 60% of reviews are completed within 24 hours, which is pretty good. And turnaround is about 13 hours. So that's pretty good. Most large open source projects like TanStack with the high community participation, would take a lot longer. So it's pretty positive feedback here. So I think overall, TanStack Query looks pretty good in terms of collaboration metrics, besides some of their lower percentages of PRs that are being merged with formal review. They have a pretty good balance with community involvement and speed in completing reviews. So that was this week's Project of the Week. If there's any project you want to see featured, feel free to comment below. And thanks for listening. See you next week.